So we are moving right along with the custom sweater. Last time I believe I showed the front. The front is done, but now the back is actually done and linked on. So here's the side seam where it's linked on, and this is the back. It looks quite nice. I'll add a picture. I think the pictures will be a little clearer than what I'm showing on this video. And we even put the lettering that we discussed about for like the initials of the client and NYC here on the back, kind of visible. You can kind of see those letters. It says MG and NYC. I'll have a picture of that as well, which I think will be a little bit clearer. But it's looking really good so far. The seams are quite clean also, so that it's a reversible garment. You'll be able to wear it on both sides. So you can have the map of Manhattan on this side, but when you don't feel like being that flashy, this side is just alternating stitches. It's just kind of like a small alternating stitch pattern. Both sleeves are also knitted. They're just not attached yet. So here are the sleeves. Let's see, here's the top. The sleeve will go something like that. That's one sleeve. We have not linked the sleeves on yet because I'm waiting to get actually zippers so that the sleeves are removable. So we'll have probably zipper seams here. I ordered some zippers that are actually stretchy zippers that work really well with knitwear. And they allow the knit to still stretch. Traditional zippers have absolutely no stretch, but these are very special zippers for activewear, and also they work well for knitwear. Any kind of garment that stretches, but you can still have a zipper in it to keep that stretch component. So that's something the client wanted, to be able to remove the sleeves so that they could also wear this as like a vest over a button-down shirt or something like that, which I thought was a really good idea. Yeah, the zippers are going to go here all along the armhole so that the sleeves are removable. And yeah, that's where we are so far. So it's looking quite good. It's basically a vest at this point, and it looks really nice. So then the next time I show it, hopefully we will have basically the whole thing done. The sleeves will be attached. We'll have the zippers in the armholes, and I'll model it, or I'll get my client to model it so you can see what it looks like on a body and get the full effect of sleeves on, sleeves off. Should be really cool. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about finishing it. I've been working on this on and off for a while, but it's definitely time to finish it and move on to more fun projects. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.